Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so translation works instantly. Plug in or pair your headset, test mic and speaker levels, and make sure background noise is minimal. Once done, open the translation app and grant microphone, calls, and notifications permissions so the service can capture and relay audio. Set the source and target languages now. This prevents mid-call delays. Make sure you also choose the correct audio channel, device speaker versus headset, so the translated speech routes to you immediately. You now initiate the call inside the translation mode to keep audio in the app pipeline. Once connected, flip the live translation switch so incoming and outgoing speech are processed in real time. Adjust voice speed and volume to match conversational pacing. Slower output helps comprehension. Watch the live transcript to catch missed words and toggle speaker labels if two voices overlap. If you need to speak, pause briefly after sentences so the engine can translate cleanly. This reduces dropped phrases and timing issues. You finish by turning off live translation and then ending the call to ensure transcripts save and session logs complete. If you experience lag or garbled audio, switch from speaker to a wired headset or reduce other network-heavy apps immediately. Network congestion is the most common cause. If translations abruptly stop, restart the translation app, reconnect permissions, and reopen the call. This refresh often fixes stalled services. One troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and retry to clear transient network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.